How to view deleted messages on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Here, go to Account. Then tap on Download your data to get a copy of your data from all the TikTok apps you use. After that, go to Select Data to download. Here, you can choose the data you want to download. Select Custom. Then select Messages. This includes direct messages you've sent and received. After that, tap on Done at the bottom. Then tap on Select a file format. Here select TXT. This format is an easy-to-read text file. Then tap on Done. Now tap on Request Data to request a copy of your data. Once your file is ready for download, you will find it in the Download Data section as shown. Following these steps, you can easily view deleted messages on TikTok.